Halloween is just around the corner, and it's time to transform your home into a haunted haven. Let's explore some spooktacular interior decoration ideas to make your home the most frighteningly fabulous in the neighborhood. Whether you're aiming for a classic, spooky vibe or a playful, family-friendly atmosphere, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll share a spooktacular collection of interior decoration ideas that will make your guests scream with delight. From creepy crawly creatures to ghostly apparitions, we'll show you how to create a truly terrifying Halloween atmosphere inside your home. Living room. Create a terrifying centerpiece for your coffee table using a variety of Halloween-themed items like skulls, spiders, and candles. For a more realistic effect, consider using fake bones, insects, and other creepy crawly creatures. You can also add a touch of blood or gore to your centerpiece for an extra scare. Build a miniature haunted house using cardboard, paper, and other materials. Place it on a shelf or mantelpiece for a spooky touch. You can add details like spooky characters, haunted windows, and a graveyard to make your diorama even more terrifying. Use flickering candles, string lights, or black lights to create a spooky ambiance in your living room. Consider using red or orange lights for a more sinister feel. You can also hang spooky lights from the ceiling or place them on the floor to create a creepy atmosphere. Dining room. Set a spooky table with Halloween-themed tableware, candles, and centerpieces. Use black or orange tablecloths and napkins for a spooky atmosphere. Consider adding a skeleton centerpiece or a creepy crawly creature as a focal point. Create custom spooky placemats with creepy crawly creatures or haunted house designs. You can use fabric markers, paint, or stencils to create these designs. Use flickering candles or string lights to create a spooky atmosphere in your dining room. You can also use black lights to create a spooky glow. Kitchen. Decorate your kitchen with Halloween-themed accessories like dish towels, pot holders, and mugs. You can find these items at most home goods stores or online retailers. Create Halloween-themed food and drinks to serve your guests. For example, you can make spiderweb cupcakes, witch's brew punch, or mummy-shaped sandwiches. You can also hang spooky decorations from your kitchen cabinets or ceiling. For a quick and easy centerpiece, fill a glass jar with spooky-themed candies or trinkets. Or get creative and create a miniature graveyard using small pumpkins, fake gravestones, and miniature skeletons. Bedroom. Use Halloween-themed bed linens or throw pillows to add a spooky touch to your bedroom. Consider using black or orange sheets or pillows with spooky patterns. Decorate your bed with spooky items like ghosts, skeletons, or spiders. You can also hang a spooky canopy over your bed to create a more eerie atmosphere. Use soft, flickering lights to create a spooky and atmospheric mood in your bedroom. Consider using string lights or candles placed around the bed. Haunted hallways. Decorate your hallways with cobwebs, spiders, and other creepy creatures. You can also hang spooky figures from the ceiling or place them on the floor. Spooktacular bathrooms. Add a spooky touch to your bathroom with Halloween-themed towels, rugs, and soap dispensers. You can also add a spooky mirror or a haunted picture frame. Use flickering candles or string lights to create a spooky atmosphere in your bathroom. You can also use black lights to create a spooky glow. With a little creativity and imagination, you can transform your home into a haunted house that will be the talk of the neighborhood. Remember to have fun and get creative with your Halloween decorations. Don't forget to leave a comment and share your favorite interior Halloween home design inspiration. If you enjoyed this video, you'll love the next one.